Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many computer users face: the issue of accidentally deleting important files. Imagine working on a project for hours, only to hit the wrong button and send it into the digital abyss. It's frustrating, disheartening. It can feel like a major setback. But fret not, because there's a solution to this all too common problem. Now, let's talk about the solution to our problem, the handy feature called the recycle bin. When you delete a file on your computer, it doesn't immediately disappear into the ether. Instead, it makes its way to the recycle bin, where it patiently waits for you to either restore it to its original location or permanently delete it. This nifty tool acts as a safety net, giving you a second chance to retrieve your files should you need them. The recycle bin is essentially a digital safety deposit box for your deleted files. It allows you to browse through your discarded documents, images, and videos, giving you the opportunity to rescue them from deletion. By simply right-clicking on a file you want to restore and selecting Restore, you can bring your lost data back to life in its original folder. It's like a digital resurrection for your mistakenly deleted files. In summary, the recycle bin is a lifesaver when it comes to accidental file deletions. So, next time you find yourself in a panic after deleting an important document, remember that there's a solution right at your fingertips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below sharing your own file deletion mishaps. Until next time, happy computing,